Welcome back to my channel. Here you can see that this is a YouTube channel named How to Basic. So it has 17.7 million subscribers and it only uploads stressless automation videos. So here you can see that my workflow automation creates engaging YouTube shorts just from text input. This n8n workflow leverages OpenAI video search, voice generation, and Google Drive to produce complete videos from start to finish. So here you only have to click on this open chat and type your prompt. Like here, I type in my prompt and press enter. So when you press enter, it generates a short video. And here you can see that there are two AI agents, which are basically used to generate a prompt. And here you can see that video search agent for the 11 labs searching. And by the end, you can see that it generates a video that I want to show you. It generates this kind of video.
Feeling exhausted on your journey? That's great. It means you're pushing boundaries. Ready to quit? Excellent. Most would give up now, but you're not like them. You're too far along to turn back now. Keep moving. Every small step is progress and brings you closer to your goals. Don't stop now, because your future self is cheering you on. Remember, feeling tired means you're pushing. Embrace every
very fantastic video that's generated by this workflow automation. Now I'll walk you through this whole journey in the automation, like we can reach out to the whole node breakdown. So here you can see that this is the part of source text generation and search queries. And there are these download videos, and then they generate voices and grab some music, and then the main part to generate a video. Actually, I'm using Creatomate also to generate shorts like this. Here you can see that. So, okay, now this is the first step, like the chat message received. You have to assign an agent to it. Like here, agent assigned to it, and it's named as short text. And here you can see that source of the prompt is defined below, and here is the prompt. Like, generate a YouTube short script that is between 98 and 106 words exact. And this also, like, use the following structure, context, leading. And here you can see that the whole prompt, so it generates a script like this, and then the OpenAI chat model is assigned to it, named as GPT-4.0. And then here you can see that the second agent, video search terms, it is for finding video clips like you saw in the video. And here you can see that the output in the terms motivational journey, overcoming challenges, etc. So here is the full prompt of it. You can see that it's coming from this script, like only you have to drag and drop. So now we move on to the next step. Here also an OpenAI model is connected. So here you can see that this is the format for loop over. So this is the basic code that loops over to the motivational journey, like the terms and now come to the download videos. Here you can see that loop is here to generate short URL for the video, and search videos API is used. I'm using Pexels.com. So here you can see that it is the URL and method is set to get. So here the authentication is set to none. And the query parameters, you can see that per page to 1. And here you can see that you have to paste your key in these header parameters. And this will give you output of this. So now we move on to the get the video details part. So here you can see that these are the video details that we assigned, and then the wait. So it is the inbuilt tool of the n8n that waits for 1 second to loop over and over again. Like if the 5 loops completed, it goes to this generate video. And you can see that here it formats the URL, and then the let's sort music files come to an action. So here you can see that the method is set to get and URL. You can see that I'm using Google API. For the drive usage, like I have a drive folder, and here you can see that I uploaded a song, BGM song to it. And you can see that the folder URL, and you can set here like this. So it will grab the audio from your Google Drive and add it to your short. So now you can see that here is the code also for the random selection. Like if you upload 10 to 12 of BGM, so it will choose 1. So here you can see that generate voice. So here I connected the 11 Labs API, and you have to also pass your API key here. And you can see that. So it generates a voice for us, and it also uploads into our Google Drive. You can see that it uploads to our drive. Here you can also see that the data comes to home. And now you can see that the render video part, So here is the create shot. That's the main action to create. Actually, I'm using create.mat. So here you can see that I set up this, and you have to also just copy this template for the video generation. And this will provide you a URL of the video in the end, and check video status also here. So if it succeeds, so the status will be succeeded here. You can see that, and then the delete audio drive. So like you have generated many shorts, so it will not affect your drive storage. So it deletes one by one after generating, and the last one is finished. So here you can see that when finished, it will run. So here you can see that in this video, by using our n8n template and this tutorial, follow along. You can also generate short videos like this, and you can also post it to your YouTube account, LinkedIn, etc. for growth of your business. And so thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel.